Introducing no-cost EMI for customers powered by Mosambhi. Merchants can now offer no-cost EMI to their customers for their purchases through partnerships with card issuers and brands. Customers can enjoy a ton of benefits that can boost your sales, helping you compete with e-commerce websites. Let's look at the benefits for customers. Affordability with no-cost EMI option. Instant discount and cashbacks from bank and brands. Zero documentation. Transparency on tenure and interest rates. And there are even more benefits for merchants like zero documentation paperless EMI, credit and debit card EMI offering in an easy-to-use solution, 11 banks, 20 brands and growing. No direct dependency on banks and brands. Real-time offers and cashback offering to compete with online retailers. EMI availability on SMS Pay. Ready reconciliation. Automated reports in an intuitive dashboard. Increase in sales and revenue. Faster checkout with lesser clicks. Multiple user access at the same time for promoters. The solution is available on all major terminal models offered by the bank and works with an easy-to-use smartphone app. What's more, if you have customers making purchases over call or WhatsApp, Mosambhi brand EMI is also available via SMS Pay. Simply send a link to the customer over SMS and the customer can complete the transaction from anywhere just using their smartphone. Excited? Let's check out the transaction flows for your understanding. Fire up Mosambhi application and select brand EMI. Select your desired brand and choose brand EMI with credit or debit card option. Enter customer's mobile number. Select product category, model and SKU from the drop-down. Enter the product serial number or scan using the camera. Enter the amount and select bank or card issuer's name. Instant discounts and cashback are visible on this page. Select tenure and applicable interest rate. Proceed to see a payment summary showing product details, amount, EMI tenure, interest rate and cashback. Choose your preferred payment option, send payment link or instant debit and credit card payment. To accept card payment, simply swipe or dip card, enter PIN and complete the transaction. Charge slip is generated with a payment summary, which can be digitally sent to customers using SMS or email. To receive payment via SMS Pay, send a payment link to the customer's mobile number. Customers can click on the link, enter card details and authenticate transactions using OTP or password. Charge slip is generated with a payment summary immediately after. Merchant can offer brand EMI on home delivery and over-the-phone orders using just the Mosambhi application and continue with payment link transaction. Alternatively, brand EMI can be offered to existing GPRS merchants using the Mosambhi application. Generate reference number for the brand EMI transaction. Use generated reference number on Verifone, Ingenico or Mosambhi H9 GPRS device. Use generated reference number, verify tenure, EMI, interest rate and cashback. Proceed using credit or debit card and complete the transaction. That's it. Get Mosambhi brand EMI today. Simply connect with a Mosambhi representative for more information and activate it now.